Hi everyone, I am Akhil from Team T-Rex. Let me start with something simple. Imagine running a small business. You wake up to 40 emails. Somewhere inside those emails, there are invoices. Some need urgent payment. Some are related to items that are already low in stock. But you don't realize that until it's too late. So what happens? The payment gets delayed. The stocks runs out. Customers get frustrated and the owner ends up spending hours just checking emails and updating spreadsheet. The real problem isn't that businesses don't have tools. The problem is those tools just sit there. They wait, they don't think, they don't act. We kept asking ourselves, what if your procurement system didn't just store information but actually behave like a responsible digital employee? That's why we built Procure-IQ. It continuously monitors your inbox, understands invoices automatically, checks inventory health in real time, and takes action when something needs attention. Not just automation, just intelligent action. And with that, I'll hand it over to Richard to walk you through how it actually works.
I'm Richard. I walk you through the live system. We start with the Google Authentication, ensuring enterprise grade access control. Once we authenticated, we land immediately on the Procure-IQ dashboard, our mission control center. At the top left, we'll see system operating mode. We are currently in debate mode. It means our AI is actively evaluating trade-offs for every decision. You can also see the live status of Python ERP database is connected locally, and the Gemini AI engine is actively and running autonomously. Scrolling down, you can see our agent status panel. The Gmail invoice agent and inventory agent are both running in the background, continuously polling for data without any manual triggers. We move into the inventory. This isn't just a static list, it's a real time view of our ERP data layer. We have seeded 5 items from electronics to office supplies. The status indicators items are flagged as in stock, low stock, out of stock. The system tracks the total inventory value currently over 1 lakh, giving business owners instantly financial simplicity. Now let's look at the backbone of our architecture settings. Under the ERP Connections tab, you will see our adapter pattern in action. Right now, we are running in the Python sample database for this demo. But notice down, we can instantly switch backend to connect with the real enterprises ERP like Odoo, SAP, and Oracle NetSuite just by providing the API credential. This proves our system is ERP agonist and enterprise ready. We move to the API keys, the security key. We manage secure access for our integrations, Google, Gemini, and OpenAI. Keys are never displayed in full, ensuring security compliance. We move to the section, the last, verification. We configure the human loop workflow. You can see the owner alert email, which receives approval request and the supply email for automated purchase order. This ensures that when the AI makes decision, the right people are notified instantly. Returning to the dashboard, you can see the system is live, stable, and ready to act. This is Procure-IQ, autonomous, intelligent, and scalable. Thank you.
I am Vishrita. Now let's talk about why Procure-IQ truly matters. Supply chains today do not fail because of lack of data. They fail because of delayed decision. Business already have invoice, inventory system and supplier data, but the intelligence layer connecting these pieces is missing. Procure-IQ address this exact gap. The importance of our system lies in transforming passive system into proactive decision maker. Instead of waiting for a manager to notice low stock or manually process invoice, our system continuously monitors operational signals and reacts instantly. These reduce three major risks. First, financial leakage caused by duplicate payments, delayed approvals, or missed invoice. Second, stockouts, which directly impact revenue and customer satisfaction. Third, decision fatigue, where managers are overwhelmed with route operational tasks. Now, what makes Procure-IQ innovative? Most automation tools operate or reject rule based logic. They follow predefined scripts, but real world supply chains are dynamic and unpredictable. We introduce a structured decision intelligence layer with three adaptive operating modes. In debate mode, the system evaluates trade off carefully. In crisis mode, it prioritizes speed and risk mitigation. In safe mode, it halts automation when AI confidence drops, ensuring safety over blind automation. This combinations of autonomy, explainability, and safety governance is what differentiate us from single workflow automation tools. Our target audience includes small to mixed size retail business, procurement teams in growing enterprises, operation managers handling inventory across multiple suppliers, finance teams who require auditability and compliance. For this user, Procure-IQ is not just a tool. It acts as a digital operation assistant that works continuously, reduces manual effort, and improves financial clarity. By combining AI extract, real time monitoring, severity scoring, and human in a loop safeguards, we are building a system that business can trust, not just use. And that trust is a foundation of scalable AI adoption in supply chain operation. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruta. Let's now look at the real world impact and where Procure-IQ can go from here. Today, many problems still rely on reactive systems that discover problems only after revealing is affected. Procure-IQ changed that model. Instead of reacting, if analytics and response in real time. For mid-size relief or diagnostic business, even a single stockout, a high maintained product can face significant revenue loss. By conventional monetization, a dynamic security code, our system ensures that critical involuntary and assigning shocking diagnostical are predictized before they become emergent. Beyond providing stockouts, Procure-IQ allows request optional workload mutual invoice processing, approval sharing, and involuntary tracking can customize 15 to 20 hours per month. By automating the repeatedly processing while keeping humans in control for high risk diagnosis, we allows them to force an strategical rather than admission. Now looking above to future scope, first we plan to expand our ERP adapter to support real-time integration with Instapair platform like Udo, SAP, and NetShoot. This this would allow two-way synchronization, enabling Procure-IQ to function within large-scale competitive environment. Second, we aim to ensure the security engine using privileged analytics instead of reaching to low stock. The system will forecast danger sugar and recommend restock before their store are closed. Third, we ensure a multi-warehouse optimization layer where the system intelligence redistributes stock access location to maintain product cost. And finally, we see Procure-IQ evaluate into a final automative decision analysis, one that should not just process data but completely learn from optional outcome to provide decision quality over time. Represents a shift from to passive intelligence. It is not just automation, it is accountable, expandable, and adaptable to support. We are Team T-Rex, and we believe supply chain management lies in intelligent systems that work alongside human, just not just under them. Thank you.